good morning. So today we are going to learn the last topic of the equal triangles, which means bisector. So this is the last topic in this chapter. So let's see. So look at this triangle. In the triangle PQR of the figure, PR equal to QS. Okay, PR equal to QS, which means 4 centimeter, and this is also 4 centimeter. Okay, so PR equal to QR. PR equal to QR, and RS is the perpendicular from the point R to the line PQ. Okay, so RS is the perpendicular from the point R to PQ. Okay, and we have seen earlier that the sides and angles of the triangle PRS and the sides and the angles of triangle QRS are equal. Okay, the sides comma angles of triangle PSR and triangle QS are equal. PSR and QSR are equal. So the side PS equal to QS. So the side PS equal to QS, because S is the midpoint of PQ, so PS equal to QS. And RS is the bisect the line PQ. RS bisect the line PQ, and the angle PRS, RS bisects the line, RX bisect the line PQ, and the angle PRS, this angle, and the angle QRS, this angle is also equal. The angle PRS and the angle QRS is equal. These two angles are equal. So we can say that RS bisect the line PQ and also RS bisect the angle R. Okay, which means the angle PRS, the angle QRS is equal. So the line RS bisect the angle R and the side PQ equally. Okay, so in any, so this is, it's an isosceles triangle. So in any isosceles triangle, the perpendicular from the point joining equal sides to the opposite side bisect the angle at this point and the side opposite. Okay, so in any isosceles triangle, the perpendicular from this point, from the point joining equal sides to the opposite bisect the angle at this point and also the side opposite. Okay, and also the line here, here the line is RS, the line which divides a line and also an angle equally is called the bisector. Okay, once again, the line here, the line is RS. When we take the line RS, the line which divides a line or an angle, here the line RS divides the line PQ and the angle is R equally into equal parts is called bisector. Okay, so here the RS is the bisector of the line PQ. RS is the bisector of the line PQ and the angle R. Okay, so RS is the bisector of the line PQ and the angle R. And next, and also RS, we can see from this figure, RS is a perpendicular to the side PQ or to the line PQ, and also we can say that RS is the perpendicular bisector to the line PQ. Okay, RS is a bisector or RS is a perpendicular bisector to the line PQ, and also RS bisect the angle R. Okay, so these are the topics. These are the topics relating bisector. And next, how can we draw a perpendicular bisector of the line AB? Okay, next, how can we draw a perpendicular bisector? Then first, draw the line AB. Okay, perpendicular bisector. First, draw the line AB. Okay. So here I take the line AB is 12 centimeter and we want to draw the perpendicular bisector of the line AB. Okay. So let's see how can we draw the perpendicular bisector of the line AB. And take your compass and here the side is 12 centimeter and in your compass here AB is 12 centimeter. So in your compass take the half plus more half and more half of this side. So we can take 7 or 8 centimeter. Okay. So I just take the half of this part and draw an arc from A and also draw an arc from B and also like this. Okay. And just draw the perpendicular, just joining the points C, D. Okay. So this is the CD is the perpendicular bisector of the line AB. Okay. So I hope you understand. Then next, how to draw a bisector of the angle ABC. Okay. Next, how to draw a bisector of the angle ABC. So this is the angle ABC. We want to draw the bisector of this angle ABC. Okay. So take your compass and in your compass just place your compass at the vertex. So this is the vertex of the angle ABC and AB and BC is the side of the angle ABC. And you can take more half of this side BC. Okay, just take the more half of the side BC and just mark a point like here and also here. Okay, and from the marked point you can draw an arc. Okay, and join the points, join the vertex and the point D. So BD is the bisector of the angle ABC. Okay, so I hope all of you understand. So here in the bisector we learn what is a bisector. A bisector means the line which divides a line or an angle into equal parts are called bisector. Okay, the line which divides an angle or a line into equal parts are called bisector. A bisector is perpendicular, we call perpendicular bisector. Okay, and how to draw a bisector of the angle and of a line. So these are the topics relating bisector. So I hope all of you understand. Thank you.